So let's start from where we had left off yesterday. So we were looking at the force as a concept. Just to quickly revise, force can be defined as a pull force or a push force. Like whenever an object is applied with pull force or a push force, it causes physical changes, right? Physical changes we saw, either it is change in the shape or change in the motion or changing the resting position, and we had also seen different examples of it. Now uh, like the time when we stopped yesterday, we were looking at what are the different effects when we apply a force on an object. One of the effect that we had seen,
So the push and pull force, push and pull.
sorry,
The push and pull force, that one.
yeah, can you all turn on your videos please? Let me see you. It's
I have an internet problem. So even me.
what?
So there is no light here.
So what is it with the video? You can still turn on the video, no? If there is no electricity.
Yeah, sir, but it's difficult to hear.
When you turn on the video,
Yes, sir.
okay, what about Ashrit, Ved, Nainisha, Rachit, Panav, Vedika, both Vedikas, Mr. Mudit? Such a smart people, and they don't even want to show their faces. Smart and beautiful ones. Yeah, thank you, Daham, for showing me your hairstyle. Okay,
No, there was a bee in my room.
okay, fine. So let's start. So first effect that we had seen was change of shape due to the application of force. Now again, to quickly revise, can someone, Rajiv, can you give me an example of change of shape because of application of force?
Sir, water and space.
Sorry,
Sir, water and space.
how? Can you please explain?
Oh, sorry, it will be force, right?
Yeah.
So this may not be close, but if a rocket goes from the atmosphere, when it launches, some of the pieces come out.
Okay. Pieces of what?
The metal of the easier example, please.
Okay, fine. Shaurya,
Sir, sponge and balloon.
sorry,
Sponge and balloon.
sponge and balloon. Okay, yeah. uh, Panam, do you have
I
any?
didn't understand the question.
So, can you give me any example of force, either a pull force or push force, where there is change of shape due to the application of force? Okay, you can think in the meanwhile, and Riddhim,
Clay.
sorry, clay, yeah. Clay, if you apply a force, it changes its shape. Now that is the push force. Can you give me an
The
example?
metal,
Metal, what happens
so
with
when you push, that shape gets distorted. Like if you have a bottle, a metal bottle, if it's the shape is like this, somewhat like that. So if you push it very hard from one side with something, so then the shape will get distorted.
Okay.
Sir, it's Rajiv. Can I tell one example? If you pull
Yes, Rajiv.
slime. Sir, can I also tell example in pull?
Yes, sure. Yeah, I'll come back to you.
How a lion.
Rajiv, you are
A lion. Sir, slime.
okay. Slime. But slime, yeah, again, it's an example. Can you give an example of, yeah, any other example from the pull force?
Ring.
Read, yes.
Sir, clay.
Clay is already being mentioned with. Any other example in real life apart from the things that we play in real life, the example of change of shape due to pull force
Dough.
is the same. Dough or even your clay or slime, they are of same material. Rachit,
Pillow.
how do you pull a pillow and how does it change the shape?
So not pull, push.
So I want to know about the example while you pull and then change of shape. Okay, but thank you. Yes, Shaurya.
Sir, spring.
Sorry,
Spring.
spring. Okay, yeah, spring is one example where you pull the spring and it changes its shape. Sailesh,
Can I tell one?
Sailesh, Rajiv, no, wait. Sailesh,
So the rubber bands.
okay, rubber bands. Nivan,
Sir, if we stretch in Tadasana.
yeah, Tadasana. Body stretching, which you are actually pulling the body, and you stretch, which is like kind of change in the shape. The stretches, they are the changes. Okay, so there are several.
Bedspread.
Can I tell Rajiv?
Okay, Rajiv,
Sir, when you throw the ball like really hard, it kind of becomes a bit flat.
pull force, Rajiv, pull
Drop
force, not the push.
Fine.
We are talking about the examples of pull force. Shrivas,
Sir, it's Rajiv.
Sir,
Can I tell one?
what about bedspreads, bed sheets, and blankets? Those things, if you pull out, will change
Yeah,
its
sir.
shape.
no, but that,
They get messed up.
yeah, so it is correct. But when we are talking, it's like mostly about folding and unfolding. When we pull over something, a comforter or a bed sheet, that's more about change in the foldings. It's not really change in the shape. Yeah, obviously the shape also changes ultimately, but it's more of the folding change, right? So that may not be appropriate example, but surely it can be one of the. If you don't know anything, if you write this kind of example, that is still acceptable. Anything else?
Sir, it's Rajiv. And can I tell some?
Okay, Rajiv.
Sir, in the gym, there are some equipment which you have to pull, sir. In that, the stringish thingy becomes smaller.
Yeah.
Becomes larger, not smaller.
Sir, I have an example, but I'm not sure if it's pull or push. But I know that it is an example. If you put popcorn kernels in the popcorn maker, then they pop.
What do you think? It is pull or push? It is
I think it's push.
popping
Push.
up. It is a push force. Now push is because of the steam which is generated inside the popcorn. Yeah, so that is a push force. Daham, you had to say something.
I have two, sir, like rubber bands,
Okay,
hair bands,
it's all
resistance band.
huh?
Sir, resistance band.
It's the same, no?
So it's like a giant.
See,
all types of bands.
wait, not, you will not mention all the types of bands as an example because they are already
So
made.
it's not like a normal band, it's a resistance.
Got it, got it. The resistance band which is used for.
It's a resistance band.
Yes, Mr. Daham, I heard that. But what I said is like we will not give the similar examples. We'll try and dig out deeper into different examples. Okay, before we move further, do you know who is this Harsh Kancharia?
That is Ardit.
Sir, Harsh Kanchalla, Ardit's father.
Oh, okay. I wouldn't have let him enter if I wouldn't have known. Okay, fine. So that is about the effect of force on changing shape. Now, effect of force in terms of changing the resting position. Resting position, you all understood?
Sir, that's so very easy.
Sorry, Pana?
Sir, this example anyone can give anything. Let me change the resting
Yes,
position.
yesterday we had seen few of them. Yes, Shaurya again.
Sir, football kicked by
Shaurya, there is lot of echo from your voice. Can you please try?
Sir, I guess he is swinging on the chair. The
Huh.
sound is coming.
Maybe use the microphone of the system and not of the camera. Probably it will help. Yeah. Okay. Nivan is raising hand. Yes, Nivan.
Sir, when you pull a boat from a, like if it's going to flow, then you pull a boat to its time place where you park it.
Correct. Now again, there are two different types of examples here. One is change in the resting position due to a pull force and change in the resting position due to a push force. Both kind of example we will say. So if you are giving an example, let's say of boat, it's a push force while the boat was standing and the engine starts and then it starts moving. So that's a push force. Shrivas.
Say any liquid item.
What about any liquid item?
If you pull something now, it will change according to your hand's shape. So it changes shape.
Are we applying force on it, or pouring? Can pouring be a force?
Yeah, sir.
So can you check the chat?
How the pouring is the force?
Sir, the gravitational force pulls it down, so it's basically a kind of force. It's not applied by us, but it's applied by the earth.
Okay, though Daham, it was not your turn.
Even I send an exam. Can you just check in the chat?
Okay, why don't you speak up here? Say
Okay.
it.
Sir, when we pull a table to shift,
Okay.
yeah,
So now
like it's in the rest.
I have a question there. You are moving a table from one position to another. Is that a moment because the table is still in the resting position, or is it not a moment, or is it a force or not force?
So
What?
like we're pulling it. First it was in the rest position, right? So we are pulling it. I guess it is still in the rest position.
Okay.
Because when we are pulling it, we just keep it somewhere. So it's still in the rest position.
Okay. Yes, Shaurya.
a boy kicking a ball.
A boy. Okay, I lost your voice. Nainisha. Nainisha, are you there? Why is everyone frozen?
What can we do?
Okay, I had lost you for a moment, so I couldn't hear what you said. Maybe
Okay,
I
sir.
have a bad connection.
Sir, I told a boy kicking a ball.
Sorry?
Sir, he's saying a boy kicking a ball.
Oh, okay. I heard a boy
Sir,
kicking a boy. Okay, got it.
Frozen, sir, again.
Okay, so yeah, that is an example for sure. Any other example?
Sir, what did you hear? Sir, what did you hear? We couldn't. Ball kicking a ball.
No.
Sir, even I heard that ball. I heard ball kicking a ball.
I heard a boy kicking a boy. Okay, so
Sir, I heard that a boy was kicking a girl.
yeah, first I heard that, and secondly I heard a boy kicking a boy. But okay, so that is one example. Now, can you give an example from machines?
So when a rocket is going from the launch pad, it gives you have to give a push force from the
Yes, sir. The
launch pad,
engine
so it flies.
launches the
Sir, a
fire
pulley.
push force.
Yeah, pulley is another example, which is a very simple.
So gears.
Gears, another example. So yeah, so there are so many such example where they are in resting position and they change due to application of force, which is mostly a push force. In case of pulley, it is a pull force, right? Pulley is an example where you are pulling something, right? Now this was resting object getting into the moment. Can we have an example of a moving object and getting into the resting position? And I want Ashrit. Ashrit, can you tell me an answer?
Sir, after say a object which is going into resting position.
Come again, please.
Sir, after say a object that is going into resting position, right?
Yeah, a moving object going into resting position. Example of either
Sir,
a force,
aeroplane landing.
aeroplane landing. Yeah, that is one. That is again a push or pull.
Sir,
Wait. Is it a pull force or push force, Ashrit?
A pull force.
Okay. And Mr. Ardit, can you give me another example? A moving object getting into a resting position, either due to a pull force or push force. Mr. Ardit.
Yes, sir. Sir, the rocket are docking in the space station.
Okay. Does it stop moving there?
Yes, sir.
Or is
So
it?
it moves little, then it gets connected to something.
So what is it exactly? A pull force or push force?
So pull.
Okay. Yes, Sailesh.
Sir, a rocket deploying parachutes to safely land on the
Apart
earth.
from rockets and the space, can we have some other example? But
sir, can I say?
yes, Mudit. And then Shaurya.
Sir, our human body itself. Like we push our body to walk and then we rest.
Okay, but is it a push force or pull force?
The push force, right? Because our body is walking, like the energy we have in the body, it is pushing our body to walk.
And to stop, we are talking a moving object getting into resting position.
Yeah, so then we rest, right? Like we walk and all, then we rest on a chair or a bed or something.
Okay. Shaurya.
A ball stopping.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh,
While it is moving. Yes, Nivan.
So when you like if we take a pipe factory or machine there, it will produce pipe and it will cut it into half, and at the end it will stop. Like it's pushing it and it's pulling it. The belt below is pulling it and making it stop at a certain place.
Right. Riddhim, you want to say something?
So you kick a ball and then you run and go to stop it with your leg. So it's moving when you kick it. After you kick it, it moves, and then you run and go and stop it.
Right. So if you take an example of any game with a ball, you will find so many examples of either change in the shape, because the moment you kick the ball, it bends a little bit, right? If you take a volleyball or football, they usually bend a bit. Like at if it is a curvature, it just goes inside and again comes back to its position. So that is one example of change of shape. Surely you can kick and it will start moving. Again, you can stop the ball which is moving and coming towards you. So there are so many such examples, right? So that is, these are the different examples of the pull force as well as push force. Now again, if you watch movies, there are so many examples of either pull force or push force, right? So for example, the action scenes from the movies, right, they are perfect example of pull force or push force, right? Or again, if something is moving and you are trying to stop it, you are pulling it. Tug of war is another example, right? Or if you want to move something from one place to the other, you are again using push force or pull force. Yes, Sailesh, you want to say, and then Daham.
So the train applying brakes to stop.
Okay. What kind of force do you use to apply brakes?
Sometimes air pressure.
Sorry, what pressure?
Sometimes they also use air pressure.
Okay, that is one way. Otherwise, do you know what is that called as? Not hydraulic, pneumatic. Pneumatic, pneumatic. That is the air pressure. Yes, Daham.
So like a moving car which is going somewhere and then stopping at a petrol pump or something.
Like those Rajnikant movies, it stops with one hand.
Sir, it's Rajivan. Can I answer one?
No, sir.
After the hum. So yeah, correct. But that is an example where you are actually moving a car and then it's coming at the resting position. Okay, Mr. Rajiv, last person.
Pullback car.
So,
Pullback car. Sir, a pullback car.
yeah, a pullback car. Whenever there is a damage to a car, you have to use a pullback car, either to pull your car and then drag it along wherever you want, right? So
Sir,
there
you
are.
know the truck said the pullback car. If you pull it back, it'll go front.
Oh, okay, that way. Yeah. So okay, there are several such examples. So first is effect of shape. Effect of force on shape, effect of force on resting body, and effect of force on the moving body. Now, fourth one is effect of force on the direction. What happens upon application of force to the direction of the object? Any example? Let me see. Vedika
So
Mohan.
I didn't quite understand the question.
Okay, I will repeat.
Yes, sir, me too.
I will repeat my question.
Me too, sir.
Effect of force upon direction of the object, right? Every moving object.
So first, can you give us an example?
Wait, I will give you. So imagine there is a moving object and you apply a force. What happens to the direction of that moving object due to application of force? Let me ask Vedika first. Vedika Panchal. Vedika. Okay, I guess Vedika is not there.
She is there.
Okay, Timid,
Now
can you give me an example of change in the direction of the object. You are on mute, Timid, if you are trying to speak.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, but do think, Mr. Veer,
Yeah, sir.
can you give me an example of change in the direction
I
of
don't
an
know.
object? Okay, then it goes back to Mr. Riddim, and then Nivan, and then Shaurya. Yes.
Sir, so if you kick a ball ahead and then you go run it and go and kick it to the left side, so it changes the direction of the ball.
So a ball is moving in particular direction. If you apply force from this side, instead of going straight, it changes its direction and moves to the other side. Yes, Nivan.
So like there's a car going and the truck comes and crashes in it.
Wow. The example of accident. Yeah, but it is true. It changes its direction. Yes, Shaurya and then Daham.
A ball changes its direction after striking the bat.
Yeah. Bat, swing of bat, right?
Yeah.
It changes the direction of the ball in coming towards the batsman. That is the change in direction. Daham, you are on mute.
When you're driving a car and then you turn the steering wheel to the left, so the car will go to the left instead of moving.
That is, yeah, correct. That is again an example of change in direction due to application of force. Sailesh, you wanted to say something.
It's not a force applied by humans actually.
Yeah, it is not applied by human, but it is ultimately a force.
Sir,
Yes, Mudit.
sir, can windmill be an example? Windmill, because
Yeah,
of the
okay.
wind, it changes its direction.
Yeah, so windmill is falling into two categories. First of all, whenever there is a wind coming, it is at resting position and then it starts moving. So,
Yeah.
object from resting to moving, that is one
And-
one change upon application of force. And secondly, it can also change the direction of movement. It can be either clockwise or it can be anti-clockwise. Both ways it can happen due to the change in direction. So that is surely an example. Any other example? I want Nenisha or Vedika to speak. Vedika Pancha.
Yeah. What example should I give?
Sorry. The example of change in direction due to application of force.
So, a weather wind, like there's a stand and it has directions and it changes due to the wind.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
So,
Mr. Kancharia. Yes.
Kancharla.
Sorry,
Kancharla.
my bad. L and I different. Yes.
Sir, example, when you're running and something in front of you immediately comes, you take a left or right.
Yeah, correct. Mr. Rachit, any example of change in direction upon application of force?
Sir, if you shoot a toy gun on a wall, the bullet touches the wall and then it rebounds.
Yeah, that is again a change in direction. It was going straight, but then it comes back again like Rajnikant style, right? Rajnikant just holds it and push it, so it does go anywhere. No, but jokes apart, yes, there are several such examples where there is change in direction. Yes, Nivan.
If we throw a boomerang, it will come back to us.
Yeah, boomerang. Shaurya.
Sir, you. Oh, okay, after Shaurya.
Yeah, after Shaurya. Yes.
Changing its direction because of the wind.
Again, I couldn't hear it.
water changing its direction because of the wind.
Yeah, changing the direction of water because of the wind coming to it. Yes, Mr. Mudit.
Sir, even the time, the minute hand or the hour hand, it changes, like it rotates to tell
In
us the
the
time.
direction, they are always moving clockwise. Do they change their direction anytime?
Sir, we can change it by pushing them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
we
change.
can.
But otherwise it doesn't change as such. So, okay, last one, Nivan.
Sir, if there's a river flowing and there's a boulder in between, so it has to change the direction and it has to go from somewhere else.
Yeah,
Yeah, but it pushes the boulder away. That's also there.
yeah. So in general, okay, okay. So there are several such examples, right? I will also give you one example. So I remember in Germany there is a river called as Rhine River, Rhine, Rhine River. So what they had done was, now that river was, because of the mountains present, it was like zigzag, zigzag, zigzag flowing throughout. What these Germans did is they dug a big canal, like almost the size of a river, and passed the river to move from there. So that is the artificial change which was carried out by the Germans to change the flow of the river. So they ultimately changed the direction of the flow as well. So instead of zigzag, now it became a straight river. So that is one change. Again, they are not pushing or pulling, but they are allowing it to flow through a particular.
It's a change of direction.
Yeah, it is a change of direction, and it is the natural force of the carrier of the water. It is changing the direction of the river. So that is one example. Okay, so we are almost on the verge of time. We will stop here. I will see you in next class on Monday, and Monday we will see some more theoretical work behind the force, not on Monday, Tuesday. We'll see a video.